If you want to add text to photos on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then first of all, let's go to the gallery and let's select the photo that we wish to edit, on which we want to write something, and press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen to edit. Over here in Basic, we need to swipe in order to find the text option. Over here, we can write a text over here, or we can use one of these different styles. So as you can see, there is quite a bit of them. And let's say we're gonna choose this one over here, this simple one. Of course, we can drag it around, we can make it bigger, we can rotate it, and we can tap on the text in order to write whatever we want to add to the photo. Of course, we can change the color as well. We can change the style. So we can add an outline, we can make it bolder, we can add a shadow, we can align the text, we can change the font as well. Unfortunately, there is a single font, so not really, apparently. And okay, I think that's all. We can press this check now on the right side, and then in the bottom right corner to save it. And let's save the photo in the top right corner. And that's all. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.